The beauty industry is built by makeup artists. It mostly seems you're doing brands a favor, but in actual sense, no brand will be that influential without its artists. Welcome back to our channel. If you're joining us for the first time, this is Beauty Talk GH and welcome to our quad. Now let's get talking. How often do we use makeup? How often do we consume products? What informs your decision on buying makeup products? We are moved by what we see and influenced by how well what we see is applied. The industry relies on beauty influencers and makeup artists to help market and advertise their products. Note that I didn't mention sell. Selling and marketing, though intertwined, are different. Most beauty influencers market products for firms. If you're a fan of watching beauty tutorials, you'd realize the products are mostly personalized more than generalized. This is how the consumer is convinced into buying a product. In Ghana, we have a lot of talent in the beauty industry ranging from influencers, artists to bloggers. Who is an influencer? This is an individual who has a social media presence or authority and affects people's decisions when it comes to buying. Some influencers in the Ghanaian beauty industry who are working tirelessly to put Ghana on the pedestal may include, but not limited to, Vanessa Jima, Ohima Bonsu, Madeleine Boating, Chantel Dapa, Evelyn Lomoti, Debbie Bekum, and Jessica Owusu Ansah. They work with brands ranging from Ghana and beyond. Evita Joseph, Soul Aesthetics, Nokwari Skincare, R&R Luxury, and Rose Cosmetics are some of the brands influencers work with in Ghana. Check the description box for links to their YouTube channels. Kindly support them by subscribing. So who is a makeup artist? This is an artist who works on people by applying products and prosthetics for events, occasions, fashion, among others. We have awesome talent in the industry. It's insane. Some of the great talents who have their own beauty brands include Valerie Lawson of CVL Beauty, Marion Marino Nikusi Mensah of Yoshi Cosmetics, Elizabeth Crunchy, Managing Partner of Bethmian Beauty, and Hamida Safu, Managing Partner of Shaded Beauty. We also have Sandra Don Arthur, Laurentia Owusu, Martina Asante, Nancy Indem Kalu, Prince Asari, and Divine Casey. Links to their business pages will be available in the description box. Kindly follow them. Buy their products as a way of appreciating their efforts. We all need each other to survive, especially in this unforeseen time we find ourselves in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell for easy access to our videos. To have a vision is paramount. To put the vision into action is ultimate. And remember, you're beautiful regardless. Always focus, build, and be you. Thank you. Bye.